Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video we have a whole house clean with me. So I hope you guys are ready for all of the motivation. I am not going to be like hard cleaning or anything. I am literally just going to make sure that the house is clean. I am starting to get a little bit too tired for speed cleaning and like deep cleaning at this point. So we are just going to speed and clean up this whole entire house.
We tried to break it off, but we returned to it.
So we are starting off with finishing the living room area. If you have not watched my last video, please consider going back and watching it, because we did build a whole new TV stand, and in this video we bought a carpet. So I am going to set up the carpet and just really make this living room feel like a actual living room. And I'm just going to clean up the bathroom. I am not like going to put my camera in the bathroom, because honestly this bathroom is really small and it's a hassle in itself to really bring the camera in there and try to get a good angle. So for right now you are just going to watch me at the doorway and pretty much watch my daughter dance crazy.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
I am not cleaning up the guinea pig's cage, even though it does need cleaned in this video. I decided I really was not going to do that, and I do it later in another video that is going to be coming up after this, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I am just going to be giving them hay and just giving them some food, and that's pretty much it. Sweeping up and then moving on to the kitchen.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense while we try to fight it.
So now we are upstairs and I am just folding up some laundry and then going to be putting it away. This part of the video may look a little choppy because I had to stop in the middle because my son was in school while still doing some school homework, so I was kind of helping him with that and cleaning as well. So if it stops at a weird spot or something like that, that is definitely because I had to walk away from the camera and help him out with school.
And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you.
And now I'm just going to vacuum up my bedroom, the kids' bedroom, the hallway, and then move on to cleaning the bathroom. I am not going to be vacuuming or sweeping the bathroom in this video. I was way too tired, and at that point it was about 8:30ish, 9 o'clock, and my kids were definitely getting in bed and I was over it. I wanted my day to definitely be over.
Middle like this, 'cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do?
I am pretty much wiping the sink down with wet wipes, and then I will wipe the toilet down with wet wipes and then clean the actual toilet bowl. But my tub and shower, I will be spraying that down with like bleach and everything and just getting that pretty much clean. The bathroom was cleaned last week, so it definitely didn't need a deep clean or anything, but it just needed a little straightened up.
Just fine the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you.
And we are reaching the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some motivation to clean up your home, whether it was super messy or not. I hope you got some type of motivation out of this video. So please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Also, if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining us for some more videos and just some randomness of my life. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.